Articles. A, or, an, and, the. In English grammar, articles are words that come before nouns to help us understand whether we're talking about a specific or general thing. There are two main types of articles, a, or, an, and, the. Indefinite article, a, or, an. This article is used when we're referring to something in a general or non-specific way. We use a before words that start with consonant sounds, and an before words that start with vowel sounds. Example 1, I saw a cat in the garden, referring to any cat, not a specific one. Example 2, she found an interesting book at the library, referring to any interesting book. Definite article, the. This article is used when we're talking about a specific or known thing. It indicates that there's only one of that thing, or the listener or reader knows which thing we're referring to. Example 1, the cat in the garden is mine, referring to a specific cat. Example 2, she's reading the interesting book we talked about, referring to a specific interesting book. Remember, articles are small but important words that can change the meaning of a sentence. A and an are used for general or non-specific things, while the is used for specific or known things. Indefinite articles, a and an. 1. I bought a new phone yesterday. 2. She's learning to play an instrument. 3. He adopted a rescue dog from the shelter. 4. She wants to be a doctor when she grows up. 5. He found an interesting article online. 6. Can you pass me a pen, please? 7. They're going on a vacation next week. 8. She's wearing a beautiful dress. 9. I saw a shooting star last night. 10. He's eating an apple for a snack. 11. She bought a bunch of flowers for her friend's birthday. 12. He's building a model airplane. 13. She's taking a painting class. 14. He's reading an exciting novel. 15. Can you hand me an umbrella? It's raining. 16. They live in a big house near the lake. 17. She's using a computer to do her homework. 18. He's trying to catch a butterfly. 19. She's drinking a cup of tea. 20. He's wearing an old hat. Definite article, the. 1. The cat in our garden is really friendly. 2. The sun rises in the east. 3. She's reading the book I recommended. 4. They're going to the beach this weekend. 5. We visited the museum downtown. 6. He's playing with the dog at the park. 7. The movie we watched last night was amazing. 8. She's using the laptop to finish her project. 9. He's fixing the car in the garage. 10. The teacher explained the lesson well. 11. We're going to the party at Sarah's house. 12. She's wearing the dress she bought last week. 13. They're planting flowers in the garden. 14. We enjoyed swimming in the lake. 15. He's studying for the exam tomorrow. 16. She's listening to music on the radio. 17. They're visiting the Eiffel Tower in Paris. 18. He's eating the pizza you ordered. 19. She's looking at the stars in the sky. 20. They're watching the sunset at the beach. Thanks for watching. Happy learning. Please like and subscribe. Sunwheel Academy. Content is prepared by Chakra.